Let's learn some colors name. Blue color, black color, pink color, purple color, sky blue color, green color. Let's learn to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 0 10, 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Thanks for watching.